The gas struts that hold up the upward moving tailgate window to the cap on my truck are no longer holding up the tailgate window. Alright, today we are going to be replacing these gas struts that hold up the back of my camper tailgate. The first thing we want to do before we take these off is obviously find the replacements. And sometimes they'll tell you enough information on here to order your replacement. So this number right here would be the product number on this Stabilis Liftomat brand. And this would be the number with the N is the force that it opens, the newtons. I wasn't able to find this product. I'm guessing they don't make this one anymore. So to find a replacement, we're going to need to measure it out. So the way we measure it is fully extended. We want to take this thing as it's fully extended. And I like how it extends right now. I don't want it to go up any higher. That's perfect for what I need. But to order our replacement, we want to put the tape measure right where the actual ball here, where it connects there in the middle of the strut. Not necessarily right at the end, but right where that connection point is, up to the top connection point. And we can see that that measures 14 inches. So that's what I need to order for my replacement, is a 14-inch gas strut. If your socket connectors look similar to mine, then what you'll want to look for are gas struts at whatever max measurement you measured with ball stud sockets. In my case, I found a pair cheap on eBay that didn't have a brand name associated with them. And since I'm not sure how much longer I'll be keeping this cap, I went for them. I'll link the listing in the description below. I'll also link an equivalent Amazon product in case you prefer Amazon. So the first thing we need to do is take off the old ones. And to take off the old ones, we're just going to use a little screwdriver and lift this tab back. And once the tab is back, we should just be able to yank this out. Okay. And then we can do the same thing. Okay. Same thing over here. Alright, without the strut, this is just a flappy gate. Alright, so I have my replacements here. It's not the exact same brand this time, but we can see they're about the same size. I guess the new ones are going to be a little bit larger. Okay, but now the best thing about these is how easy it is to install new ones. Just push it in and it locks in. And look, you can see the old one could not hold the weight of it all with just one. These new ones can. There we go.